Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Yeah, of course, we are confident. Finally, it was a very equal game. Some details, decisive aspects were the action that for this action that we lose. But we are confident. We have a very good squad. All of us, we are together, and with the fans here, I know that we will do it. Oh, finally, like I said before, I think that are small details that finally, if we check these details and we bring back the things that we were doing very good the last part of the season, I know that we will score because we score most of the games in the season. So
we have more possession, we have more corners, we had more shoots, not on target. We had, but finally, they decided in the box, in both boxes. And for me, the game was very equal, but it's true that they were more clinical than us. I want to win this competition because FC Goa never won this competition, not for another reason, and the fans deserve to have this trophy. We know that we need to play an offensive game. We need to risk in some aspects, and we will try. And I feel that we can do it. We need that we play at home with our fans, and we are confident that obviously that we can arrive to the final.